Today's game combines bouncy balls with dice. For each turn that you have, you'll roll 3 dice, and in this case I got a 1 and 2 3s. So I'm going to need you to take a bouncy ball, bounce it 1 on the 1 and twice on the 3. If I do that successfully, I get a point, and the first person to 3 points wins. Now you may wonder, what if you have to have something that goes from like a 2 to the 4 to the 6? That's going to be hard unless you're an expert bouncer. So one thing that you can do on each turn, you can hit your hand once. You can't carry it, but just let it bounce. So you may bounce 2 to 4, bounce it off your hand, and then back to 6. It's that easy. You ready to play?
Yeah!
All right, how about you go first? 2, 6, and 6.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna go over there.
You're gonna go over there? Go for it.
2, 6.
Oh, so close. A 2 and 1, 6. We just needed the double bounce. All right, come on back over. All right, so for my turn, a 3 and 2 5s. So, yeah, I may use my hand as backboard on this one to get the second 5. I lied! So I get 1 point. And if you get it successfully, you get to roll a second time.
No.
5, 3, and 6. Okay, so here, here, and here. Let's try. Oh, my backhand didn't quite get it where I wanted it to. 6 and 2 3s. Yeah, that looks like an awesome idea. Oh, hey, I'm gonna count that. That was on the plate. It wasn't inside, but you got it, dude. 1 point to 1 point. You get to go again because you got it. If you do want to make it more complex for adults or bigger kids, you could always say it has to go directly from one to the next one. 4, 5, and 6. Oh my goodness. But for young kids, it's fine to just let it bounce wherever it needs to before it gets there. 4, 5, and 6. Here we go. Yep. Oh, so close. Another try on your next round, huh? So it is currently 1 to 1. 5, 5, and 3. Is that what I had last time, I think, huh? I can't remember.
No, 5, 3, 5.
I got it!
3, 5, 3.
I had that last time. Well, this time I had 1 3 and 2 5s. So I am 2 points.
He's getting in trouble.
Maybe. Let's see. I get another roll. 4, 6, and 6. Wouldn't it be cool if you got 3 in a row and all you had to just do was bounce? So 4 and 2 6s. Oh, no. So you have a chance. You've got 1 point, so if you can get 2 points, you win.
2 points.
1, 3, and 5. All the odd numbers. Here, I'll move, because you may need to stand over here. Oh, no. All right, here we go again. 4, 5, and 6. Ooh, this is the one you tried last time. Extra difficulties on the last point here. Hey, dude.
You get extra difficulties because you're on the
You
left.
can
Yes.
do that. Oh! All right, your turn.
Okay.
2, 3, and 5.
No. It's a hard one. 1, 4.
1, 2, and 2. Ooh, this one I should be able to pull off. It should be a pretty easy one. Let's see. Although I think I'm gonna do 2, 2, and 1. Yeah, I got it! Winning point. I think he's a little stunned still while he's doing that. If you enjoyed this game, be sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.